now I ride all alone. Hold on, don't fall through the climb. Stand tall, no chain, no wall. Now we answer the call. Peak of power, I stand alone. Cold.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome your faces back to another video. We are currently at the petrol station and we are just getting some drinks, and then we are heading straight off to BBT. The car is now nice and clean. Oh, it is gonna be a good day, so let's get it.
Never tired, whole place lit like a wire. Black coat when I step out, no doubt I stand out. Big wins, no drought, not screaming loud. Enemies watching my climb, but they never match my grind. From the dark to the shine, now it's finally mine.
Oh, what was it? Hey man,
Good, how's it going?
You don't know.
Hey buddy. How'd you say what? Man, good to see you.
Back from,
I'm back, dude. Back in the land of the living. So we're gonna get cars filled up, and then I think we're gonna leave around 11:30.
Hey Dan, it's not extra per person. No, still. Not the best thing to be here for.
No, and every single time I'm like, okay, today's the day.
And then something else breaks.
Yeah, always.
I need to go get it now. Then I'll come back from down.
Why? What happened?
Need a photo.
Oh, serious?
The photo. Like the suspension. The wheelies bring the shockers, bring the uppers, bring the...
Mixing fuels for all of the cars that are arriving for today. And we have another client for some fuels. What are you buying today? Says he wants a 25 litre. Hey? Yo, just on the hop.
9 seconds. Go juice.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Oh man. Used to put tires, bro. The gummy belly juice.
So we decided to get a good breakfast in before we head to the tram. So we're filled up and ready. Got our milkshakes as always.
Waiting.
Thank you. Really
Everything's looking the way you like.
Absolutely, thank you. Right, now we're all filled up and ready. Yeah. Well, now we head off, meet up with the gentleman, and we head out. Nice. Brilliant. Finally managed to pull the trigger. Yeah, it's gonna dilute it.
Go with that to the track.
sure?
You can pull up on the way back.
You sure?
100%, because you're gonna dilute it. You're gonna dilute it.
Can't dilute it.
How do you feel now that you're a real racer with some race fuel, bro?
It's expensive.
It is expensive.
It's money you better spend than
Yeah.
I'm not saying no.
He's not denying or confirming. That's the problem. So we'll just take it as it's true. Woo! Sounding good. Sounds ready. Woo. Ooh, yes. It is finally time, ladies and gentlemen, to leave. Sorry?
In case you don't know who the boss is.
Yeah. Also sound good. Ooh. We're outside. Ooh.